Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this flower pot cutout. I'm going to go in first and brush some of the color Florida Orange onto the center of my flower, and then I'm going to brush Colonel Mustard onto the edges, and then I'm going to blend those two colors together. And now I'm going in with kudzu for my leaves and my stem. And then I'm going to go in with terracotta for my flower pot. I'm going to go in with a little bit of chocolate to paint the center of my flower here. And then I'm going to go in with the edge of my paintbrush and dot a little bit of color pine cone on. And now I'm going to go in with limeade in a number 4 round to accent all of my leaves and stem area. Now I'm going in again with that number 4 round and a little bit of black paint, and I'm going to begin to loosely outline everything. And then I'm just going to wipe that number 4 round off and go in with the color cotton to highlight, soften, and brighten everything up. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.